What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another Unreal Engine 4 game development live stream where we're working obviously within Unreal Engine 4 using Blueprint C++, the gameplay ability system plugin, to create a game from scratch. So last time we kind of finished up our character preview menu. So if we press J, whoops, there's a echo. So you press J, we have our character preview. It's all working decently well. We can rotate everything. Game's paused, everything can come back in, boom, here you go. And towards the end of the stream yesterday, we started working on what you see at the very top, like a compass kind of UI. Obviously it doesn't do anything. We were kind of following the tutorial, so we're going to continue watching that tutorial to see how far we could take this. And then I think we'll need to create like a new component class for objects that we want to be in the world that are of interest to the player. So like, you know, I don't know, points of interest like caves or characters, NPCs, enemies, custom markers. So if we have actually make like a mini map, not mini map, but like an actual map, and you can put, you know, quest markers and stuff like that, things that we want to put into that kind of realm. So let me find that tutorial. Watch later. And let me turn the music off. Let's get the other screen up.
Just place it in the center of the screen.
So yeah, like obviously, like we're trying to get this work exactly the same way as him. So he's adding to the screen. Yeah, we did that. So setting direction, that's something we need to do. So he's getting the player character, and he's getting the follow camera, and he's doing set timer by function.
No, drag our point as set its position, set the canvas slot position.
So we're setting position.
So grab our rotation camera.
Okay.
Resist rotation. The whole vector rotation just.
So yeah, that makes sense. Okay. So let's see what we need to do. So compass. And we have this part. So that's keyframe stuff. So we can't really bind anything with position. So yeah, we're gonna have to use some form of tick. And I think he's using a timer of 0.01 seconds, which I think is fine. But I think it's also okay for us to use tick. If we're just literally just doing a small operation, and especially because we remove things to C++, I think it's safe enough to do it on tick and not rely on some sort of event timer. So obviously we're gonna get the player character, right? Can we get class defaults? Can we disable tick by default? Tick. So that's tick frequency. Is under class settings. Let me just say tick. Okay, so basically, maybe that's why he's using a timer, because I don't want to be constantly casting and checking if something's valid on tick. Unless we do something, because we can get what? Get owning player pawn. Can we get control rotation? And then do something like this. So that way, like the owning player pawn is always gonna be valid, I think. There shouldn't be an instance where the owning player is not valid, because we're kind of doing that when we instantiate the UI. But there's we have the compass, right? And he's saying that he's getting the canvas slot, last canvas slot, set position. And he's doing some sort of math here.
The values are very, very small. And then we want to
So he's multiplying it by -1. So can we just do a negate? Negate float.
Of our compass points, which in this case is 2,700. If this is at all confusing, just see how this looks when you do this.
Times 10.
Like, trust me, you get some weird results.
Alright, he's doing some stuff weird. So I guess we can easily do something like just multiply it by -10. And then minus this 2,700. Whoops. Low minus.
Results. And that should be all there is to it. And we can test this out by hitting play. Oh yeah, and see the compass is sort of dropping down. I noticed this when I was
doing X.
If you just
Which makes sense.
Position to just a straight up -30, minus half the width. And there
And I guess we could do what? Get position.
Excellent. So I'll do a quick recap and then we'll move on to doing nav points. So
Alright, so based on what he's saying, this is it. So, let's see. So let's see where we are in the world. So let's go top down. So assuming this is the correct direction, so we are saying this is north up, south down, so left is east. So that is correct. So we're going east, but then we're kind of messing things up because like this is north, but it's not really north, right? Where's my player? He's facing south.
excellent.
So that's not really correct. So I wonder if we don't need to do the negative. Thanks for the follow, Imperator Monclove. My bad, I can't pronounce that. Thanks so much for the follow. I appreciate it. How's it going? All right. So yeah, now this is right. Now we're going north. Northeast, east, southeast, south, southwest, west, northwest, north. Yeah, okay, so we don't have to do negative. All right, so we have this kind of working already as is, so that was actually pretty fucking quick. So I wonder, let me take off this display capture. So what are the next things that he does?
It's seamless. It'll like you said, say the strange things happen. It doesn't line up with your compass at startup, but that is to come over to this one just the evidence there. There are two.
Okay. Like I wonder if I should have like an identical marker as him. Or because like there should be like a central point in the UI that looks okay. So maybe I can say like, I don't know, compass marker PNG. Yeah, I'm not too sure like how to label this. Because I know I have his assets. I don't want to steal his assets explicitly. Compass files. So compass marker is what I believe he's calling his. Alright, seems like it's too small to really look at and edit. Compass positional marker PNG. What does his look like? Maybe we can recreate his. Yeah, okay. So we have our UI, right? And its total height is 40. So that's the space that we want to have in between these two shapes. So let's do, we can do open recent, right? Open recent. And we have this compass border thing. Then we also have compass. Let's do new. So height. Let's we'll do what, like 80, and the width can be like 80. Oh, that doesn't have to be too big. I'm not very good at design of art, so you might do a very simple, similar marker thing to him, where we have some basic shapes. So I guess we have to do polygonal. Sides, I guess 3, because we want triangle. Okay. Not really like that. Okay, let's make a new layer. Ah! Can I make this straight somehow? Nope. Custom shape tool? Well, gives me random fucking shapes, okay. Yeah, it's like, let's make a tree. Fuck it. No. Let's also make this background black just so we can kind of better see what we're doing. Whoops. Let's. Thank you. Switch that back. Like, how do you make a perfectly straight triangle and not make it like fuzzy like that? Man, my Photoshop skills are trash. Photoshop, how to make a triangle? Okay. Let's see. Compass UI position PNG. Let's just see if we could find something. because yeah, making something custom like this is not gonna work for me. I don't even know how to search for what I'm looking for, honestly. Oops. Rasterize that? And can I sharpen it? Or is it because it's... I do something like that. Pick out that layer. Why is it selecting it like that? That's kind of dumb. Why? Why is it selecting it like that? Thank you. Okay, let's file, save. I believe we have a folder for art assets. Project Hero, Hero Game, Hero, Art, UI, Compass, Position, Marker. And then we'll do file, save as, and do a Targa. Yeah, 32 bits, okay. Now, you can go to textures, import. Quick access, hero, art, blah, blah, blah. Why did I duplicate? Save, boom. Compression settings, user interface, texture group, UI. I think that's all we really need. Give me just a second. Okay, so I don't know if it should go within this also canvas panel. No, it should go on the above canvas panel. Full size the content, the positional marker. Okay. I obviously may be a little too big, so I guess we could draw it as what, 48 by 48. Maybe even 32 by 32. Something like that. Is that in the center? It's all the way over there. Okay. No, that's not how that's gonna work. Okay, can we make this like 80? No, that's bad. We gotta see why it's all the way over there. Maybe I can have like a vertical box. And then another canvas panel within this vertical box. And then I could take these 3 elements, put it in this canvas panel box, and then put this thing in this vertical box. Fill. So yeah, that definitely didn't work. Let's undo that. Also, there is this main UI. I should definitely not use this one. Let's do hero. Do I put in hero main? Hero main. So it should still work the same. Okay. That actually kind of works. But I gotta fix the positioning in hero main. So let's center it that way. Do 0.5. Do that. Put it up towards the top. And that looks decent. Honestly, there's a lot left to be desired in terms of the overall look of it. But the concept's the same. See, yeah, there is a weird breaking though. But I believe he might go over that in the tutorial. I think he kind of brought it up.
Things happen. It doesn't line up. It doesn't slide around in a way that makes sense. So half the width of your compass. Next up is making nav points. If there's anything else. A static one on the engine in my. Yeah.
Like, I don't want to watch this part.
Areas just off to the side. We're gonna need another function. This one being
okay.
Person character function.
Let's see.
And the result is spot on perfect, and it's seamless. It'll seamlessly. Excellent. So we'll come the Y position to just a straight. I noticed this when I was
Let's see what he says here.
Set the Y position to just a straight up minus 30, minus half the width, and there we go. There's the compass working just fine. Excellent. So if this is at all confusing, some boring maths.
I'm pretty sure I thought he said it.
And that's just sort of dropping down. The study that it's seamless. It'll seamlessly go a full 360 degrees. And just an example, like if we just set this back to 0, this is our final subtraction value. As you can see, like strange things happen. It doesn't line up. It doesn't slide around.
Okay, so this value is wrong. So does it need to be more? I guess we could figure that out together. Let's make it 3,000. Okay, maybe more. 3,200. All right, close. I think 3,100. Let's look. So we get to west. Yeah, see, there's this jump. So 3,150. Still wrong. Okay. 3,100. We'll just play around with numbers for a bit. Try to get this perfect. There's west. Still a jump. Okay. 3,050. Okay, still wrong. I don't know if I'm going in the wrong direction though. Let's go higher, so 3,300. So I think I was going in the wrong direction. Let's do 3,400. Yeah, it still fucks up. And honestly, I don't know if I'm making any kind of change that would work. Hmm. 2,900. Let's go back down this direction. Yeah, so that still messes up. So why is 20... Let me do minus 10 like he did. Do 2,700 like he said. Obviously, things will be backwards. Yeah, see? Boop, boop, boop. So obviously... What values is this? Yeah. So 10 is good. But something is not clicking with me. With this 2,700 value. Like, what does he make his... What does he make the general canvas slot size? He makes his 1,000. Okay, what's mine? Okay. let me make mine 1,000. Keep that as is. So still breaks. That sucks. Okay. Because I believe I made my image the same size. See, like, you get this weird behavior where it jumps. Maybe 3,600 minus 40. No. $36.40 maybe. No. What is wrong? Let's look at this again. This guy's canvas panel, okay. He made it, what, 1,000 by 60. Then he's got his marker thing. So he makes it 5,400.
In the canvas. So just click and drag.
And that's what I believe mine is as well. Yeah, 5,400. Okay, minus 464. So maybe that doing that is gonna fix something. So let's go back to 2,700. And we'll see. So there's east, southwest, west. Yeah, see, it just disappears here. I'm not sure why.
Down to clipping. Our compass is staying within the bounds of the canvas. Set up properly.
So he anchors. Okay, hold on.
Central. That will make sure that our anchors are set up properly.
Okay, he anchors it in the center. And then his position is minus 1068. And then minus 30. Okay. Minus 20 is fine. Okay. So that's another change he did. Let's see if that makes a difference for us. No. Fuck. I don't want to spend all day looking at this. Like, what makes this difference? Is it like 3,500? $4,000. Like, the offset just breaks. Does anyone have any comments? Let's see. Yeah, so not much information going on here on how to fix this. Let me just import his example. So this is his. Okay. Let me just see what does his do it? Okay, what is the difference then between his and mine? Because his dimensions are 5400 by 60. Mine's 5400 by 40, which I think is fine. So that northwest is on the very end. And southeast is there. So what could possibly be the difference? Is my spacing just fucked up? And that's why? Maybe I can go into Photoshop and fix this. So let's put a background back on. Let's do file. What is it? Isn't there like a place linked, I guess? Desktop. Compass file. What? Why is that? Why is that so significantly smaller? Properties. Details. Yeah, it's 5400 pixels. Where's mine? Image. Image size. Yeah, it's 5400. Let's see. File, open. Oh, not group. Let's fill this with black. Now, place linked. Project hero, hero game, hero art. Let's do the Targa. Okay, that's not good. Oh, all this stuff is such a hassle. Okay. Okay, let's just do it again. Place linked. Desktop, compass files, compass points, and let's zoom in. Let's bring them all the way to the end of there. And all the way to the end there. Okay. Now, okay. So there seems to be some misalignment here. So let's start here. So we'll do something like that. Something like that. Something like that. And so on and so forth. Maybe this is the problem. I hope. Okay. Make a new group. Oh no. Okay, now we copy that. No, wait, I want to copy it. Okay. Now I rasterize them. Now I can do that. Make a new alpha. Oh. Okay, that didn't work. Try it again. Still didn't work. Cool. Cool beans. What is this? Is that the alpha from the triangle? What the fuck? Okay, that worked. Oh boy. Can I get it correct now? No. Nope. Okay, I think I know why. I think I now have to revert to a smart object. There we go. Okay. File, save as. Targa. Of this main, save. Okay. Re-import. Save, okay. Now, let's see. No, still the same problem. So I don't know what I'm doing explicitly wrong here. So do I really don't want to have to steal this dude's shit. Blah, blah, blah. It's like, I don't understand like the explicit difference at all. And the alpha's fucked up too. Awesome. Like, it's all the same stuff. So maybe he just generally made his better than mine. But I want to have my own file. Let's see. How to make correct compass UI in Photoshop. Yeah, something is just not clicking for me here, and I'm not sure why. It's kind of frustrating. So let's start over, unfortunately. 5400 by 60. So we have this. Honestly, we'll put a background. So basically, like, he has, like, what? I'll say 30 pixels in between. Sorry, so 30 pixels is that. And then 120 between each. Okay. So we'll do the point, like these little dashes first, right? Okay. So let's make a new group. Name it degree dashes. So I'll make them little rectangles. And I guess we can zoom in first. Or are they just lines? Let's just see, what does this line look like? 100? Oh, that's width. Okay. So we want these white. Heights, we'll make it, what, 15? Width, 10? No. 5. So why is this not white? So line, fill with white. Thank you. So we did what? 5 by 10. Again, not white. There we go. White. Is this back in place? No. Okay. No. Alright, we're gonna say that is fine. So position. $30. Okay. And we'll say northwest dash. So we'll do the major points, right? So it's about 120 each. So 120, 120, 20. So it's 360. So we'll do copy plus 360. And that's gonna be what, roughly? So 392. Okay, so that doesn't match up. Immediately doesn't match up, which again is frustrating. But the distance looks about the same. So let's just make the assumption that's 360 between each one. So north dash to the next direction. So plus another 360. This is northeast dash. Then another plus 360. Okay. Southeast and then south. It's 360. South. Another 360. Southwest and then west. Oops. Oh shit. Plus 360. This is west dash. Plus 360. Okay. So northwest again. Plus 360. North, northeast again. Plus 60. Any dash plus 360. East and southeast. So yeah, we definitely messed up spacing again. And I don't understand where I'm wrong. east and then southeast. So plus 360. And yeah, really wrong. Because like honestly, like this is the other guy's. This is his. And the distance between these two, look. So this is 0. This is about 30. And then 30. So 30 minus 451. Ciao. 30 minus 451. Wait, did I do something wrong? Ugh, God, I hate this shit. So yeah, we're gonna stay. We'll say 31. It starts right, 31, and then to here. 31. So 451 minus 31. It's 420. Blaze it. Okay. So let's start this over. So this one is 31. This one is 31. 31 plus 420. Okay. And so now this next one should be 451 plus 420. So let's see if that's correct. So this one is roughly 871. And that's the third one. Third main direction. So this one's like 900. So this one goes from 450 roughly. So 451. To about 901. So like, why are these changing? All right, let's import. Let's see if we can get these dashes remotely close. Place linked. See, make sure these are in. Something like that, right? I got a Discord message. Sorry, I'm reading a Discord message. So let's start, and can I make this all like red so I can? Okay, so no. Oh God, oh no. I hate this. My God. What a pain in the ass doing this is. I think I just suck with Photoshop and art. This is why I don't do art. This is why I like to stick with Logic. Because I can't fuck up Logic. Alright, so there's this. Now, Alright, so I think I can see now where we are. So northwest dash. Good. That's lined up. North dash. That's lined up. Northeast dash. Now that's lined up. Wow, this east dash is not lined up at all. Okay. Southeast dash. We're gonna do this the slow way. Okay. All right, now we're kind of falling behind. South dash, southwest dash. All right, we just gotta make sure we don't confuse ourselves. Oops. West dash. Get rid of that. Okay. Northwest dash. Wow. North dash. All right, yeah. Now we're gonna really confuse each other. Okay. North. Northeast. East. Okay. And southeast. Okay. Boom. All right. So I drag this out. I guess make this 0. Okay, there we go. So now there's all those major dash points. So let's duplicate this. Let us convert to a smart object. Degree dashes, smart object. Now I should be able to do that. The alpha, do that. No. Perfect. Okay, let's try that again. There we go. Okay, for some reason the alpha is too high or too low. Why? This is so annoying. Do I have to rasterize it? Like, give me a break, please. Alright, let's just do that. Like, what is wrong with this alpha channel? Holy crap. Okay, I have it selected. Boom, boom. There you go. File, save as. Hero, art, UI, compass. Compass like that. Let's get out of there. And then file, save as. Targa, compass main. Alright, so we got the main dashes. So let's re-import. Boom, main dashes. There, that's what it looks like. So now it still gets, you see that jumping, what is that? Let's do 2700 like he said. See, like, something is just not clicking. And I'm getting frustrated. Ah. Do I have to make this more? Well, he made his -10. So let's make it -10. Yeah, see, it just boop, disappears and comes back around. There's a whole segment missing. And I'm confused why that is. So he sets the direction, blah blah blah. Is it because he's because I'm using the he's using the rotation of the camera and I'm using control rotation. So maybe that's the problem? So let's just do cast to hero. Character. Get camera. And then he's getting like, yeah, world rotation. Yeah. No, I didn't want to watch it. Split. Yeah. Does that make a difference? Doesn't do anything. Cool. What did I mess up? Got to actually plug it in. Okay. So that was the problem? Whoa. Okay. Then I'm just stubborn and stupid. Okay. So I guess what I can do, because I don't want to be casting every single time, is this. Owning player. Then is valid. True. So something like that. Okay. So we got the major directions. So I guess now we can fill in the others. So I guess what would we want to call these? Let's make a new group. Uh, uh, in between dashes, I guess. Let's grab one. We'll just call it like 0, 1 or something. Now, let's get them just next to each other. I think something like that is okay. And perhaps I think that's fine as is. We could just drag him along. So I want to know the difference between get control rotation and the camera rotation. I should print those values out. It'd be quite interesting to know the difference, because if I know the difference, maybe I can correct the formula that I use. Right now, you know. Ah! Why? Do. We're doing better now. I hate how frustrated I get sometimes when doing these things. I really gotta work on that. That's showbiz for you, I guess. So you guys get to see me at my worst. But you live and you learn, you try to do better. Oops. Okay. I don't know how close we are. Ba-ba-ba. Good. I think we have to do 26 of these. Because there's 13 main directions and there's 2 in between. What did I do? Stop copying it like that. Dun, dun, dun. Okay. Nice. Let's fix the background. Guess we can do that. Boop. Okay. Now, what do we need to do? We have that. We have that. So we want to take that out. We want to take out the compass points. So now we want to convert these to a smart object. I guess, do we want to do something like this? Or we have the alpha. You can take out the alpha channel here. Create a new one. Nope. So I'm going to struggle again making an alpha channel, but I guess that's quite all right. Nope. Okay. Okay. Why is that not work? Woof. Do I have to do it one at a time? See, this is the kind of stuff I just am so frustrated with. Where it's like, why is it offset? So there's that. And then see, that's wrong. That's also wrong. There we go. But, like, that's correct. But then there's these fucked up points. that I don't want to have. Like, why are they offset so poorly? This is what I don't understand. Just like, boop, but do them correctly. Ugh, my God. Do I have to, let's see. Let's see, do I have to do something dumb? And like, explicitly select all of them? So like, boom. Let's do 2, for example. Yeah, that works. That's stupid, but okay. I will play your game, Photoshop. No. 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 Nope. I really need to improve my Photoshop skills. Like, this is ridiculous. I'm awful. I always try to accomplish something, and every time I feel like I'm failing, I get so frustrated. Don't know if I'm alone in that feeling. Okay. There we go. So do that, do that. We'll save that. File save as Targa main re-import. Boom. Yeah, now we have like the little dashes, right? Boom. Okay. We're doing good. So now we got to put in the actual directions again. But we're almost there. So let's get everything together. So now compass point. Let's get text. We'll make it obviously white, and then we'll say northwest. I don't know what font would be good. Like, maybe it'll be worthwhile right now to find an interesting one. Fantasy. Let me see. Letter set. Or no, fantasy font. See if we can find something interesting. Make letters. Something legible. Like that's not legible. That one's interesting. These are just not legible. So north, south. No. Okay, they're just getting progressively and progressively just unreadable. Let me Endor. This is not too bad. We'll do this one. Okay, now I forgot. Now I gotta remember where to put new fonts. Windows. Add a font. All right. So first, let's extract. Okay. Unzip them. So we can just right click to install. Didn't know that. Okay, let's try that. Yeah. TTF. Install for all users, I guess. Sorry, hold on, I'm getting some messages. Should take care of. Okay, so we installed it. So, what are they called? Immortal. Is this alphabetical? Yes, immortal. Well, I don't want it like that. Immortal. That. Strong. Guess we'll just do strong. We'll make it 8-point font. And I guess at this point, let's put into a group. Directional text. I guess at this point we can take out the reference and use the degree dashes as our point of reference. So there's northwest, and then there's north. I guess we can zoom out just a tad bit. North. And then there is, so northwest, north, northeast. That, and there's east. Whoops. Okay, let me just... East. Where's northeast? Oh my lord. Okay. That was a fail. Let's try that again. East. Move it. There we go. Then what? Southeast. Oh my god. I don't need your notifications. Southeast. South. Whoops. Okay. Southwest, right? Southwest Airlines. Like that, okay. Then west. Okay. And then what, northwest? Okay. That's okay. How did I do that one? Yeah, somewhere in the middle like that. Then north. North. Northeast. East. And southeast. And then we got painfully again. Do the alphas. Got that going. So that's directional text. Create a copy of that. Smart object. Should also do a smart object here. I easily just include it. No. Okay. That makes sense. We gotta make it a smart object. So rasterize, convert to smart object. So close. All right. We might have to do this the dumb way. Okay. Copy, paste. Okay. Take that out. All the smart objects come back in. We save. Save it as Targa. Compass main. Yes. Yes. Get back in here. Re-import. Play. Okay. Cool. Let's go back. Photoshop real quick. Image size. So we made it 60. So I know for sure we gotta set that to be 60. There we go. So like that should be north. All right. Why are these disappearing? Well, I don't understand why that pops in. So that's annoying. Cool. But maybe, yeah, maybe they should be like 40. That's so confusing. Okay. I'm sad. Do I have to make this 10? Ugh, this is so irritating. Okay. Like, this is north, right? Eject, top. So no, that's east. So possessed. So the offset is wrong. I don't know which direction to fix this in. We'll see. So that's not going to fix anything. Let's just see where it starts off with. Is it going to be all the way on the west? No. So it's always going to correct itself. So it's always off a little bit. I don't think changing that number is going to fix anything. Yeah, see how it just boop, 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 boop. So something, once again, is not clicking, and I'm fucking this up hard. Like, if I go into Photoshop, like I do everything the same. But for some reason, his version is fine. Mine is not. Like he has -6. What is it? Designer, yeah. So the image position is -1068. Anchored in the middle. 5400 and then 60, but I don't want mine to be 60. 40 is fine. But somehow it just doesn't work the same. And it's kind of confusing. Because like he literally does something like this. He does multiplies by -1, then he does another multiplication, and does it by 10. So let's keep skipping through, blah, blah, blah. As he's doing it by timer, whatever, that doesn't matter, blah, 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 okay, blah, 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 blah. -1 times 10. And then minus 2,700. But this comes out just wrong. Like, that's not south, you know? Like, this should be north, but it's northeast. So that's just like not right. Do I have to do like so? Yeah, let's print out what this is giving me. Like 180. And what's this final value? So one between northeast and north. The other one doesn't have these dashes, it seems like. North and northeast. So north and northeast is here. North and northeast is here. So it has dashes. Let me just hide everything. So that all looks right. Like, is this final number just not what it's supposed to be? If I make this 3,000, is this messed up? Like, that feels right. This is east. This is south, though. I think I gotta just do 10. Okay, maybe I'm closer. 3,200. So east. South. Okay. Let me see. Eject. That looks right. Let me. Okay. So I think that's right. All right, I think we finally made it. Okay. So I think we're done. I kind of want to make the triangle even smaller. Probably need to be spaced out a little more downward. Like that. Okay. I don't think it's broken. So I think that's good. I think for now, let me see. I want to make like an abstract data type kind of class where I can hold enums and stuff like that. So I'm kind of curious. I forget. UE4 C++ data class to store enums. Okay. There's an enums for thread. No. Let's see. New C++ class. They're like empty. Interface, function library, world settings, scene component, actor component, character. None, I guess. We'll make a new folder. Data types. 0 data types. That's where I want to kind of store all my enums. Honestly, this is not gonna compile. That's fine. Let's get out of Photoshop. Yeah, we'll save everything. Fine. Oh no, not this one. Nope. So, the data types. Fix the include. Now, I know somewhere, maybe in the character creator, there's a struct we're okay with the preview character, maybe? Preview data. Where can I find enum? Is it in the level manager? So manager. Yeah, it is. Okay. Okay, we can get rid of that to do. This class is used to store globally usable enums and structs, we'll say. So a level manager, we're gonna have to include data types, so hero data types, hero data types should be okay down here, right? Yeah. Now level manager CBP. I think we're okay. We'll try to compile. Alright. So we should still be okay with the current biomes and stuff. We could check with the character preview. We're good. So honestly, there's a lot more to be left to desire with this compass thing. Maybe a better border or something. Maybe a better central marker. Like I could literally do something like this. Like duplicate. And, you know, rotate it around. Maybe make it 2 times bigger. Maybe 1.5. And then basically move it. Maybe like 52. I hate how it moves like that. Maybe just be 22. So it could be something like that. Like in general, I would like to see this be a little smaller. And I'm curious if I need to change anything in the original Photoshop file to really kind of do that. Like if I were to make this 900, for example. Like would this fuck up the directions? Yes, yeah, it would. So we got something like that. But maybe if I make this 3100, it's okay. So it could just coordinate with that. So I think we're okay. And you know, I would maybe want to make it like 32. But I would have to like scale the letters a little bit. So maybe we can fix that. Boom, boom, boom. So let's go ahead and try to fix it. So open, let's do open recent just to be sure. Compass. So directional text. Just get all these dashes in here together. So let's get rid of that. Now, can I uniformly make these smaller? No. So we're at 8, maybe 6 will do us good. So these are at what? We'll make it at 25. Just make it an even number. So 6. 25. Move it over. Okay, so now we just gotta do this a bunch of times. So 6. 25. Move it in between. Guess we could just do that first. 25. 6. No. It has to be last. Ah! That looks good. Southeast. 6. 25. Oops. Okay. Six. 5. Okay. Ba-ba-ba. Did I do southwest yet? No. How's northwest look? It's like in between the two. That looks okay. West. West. Five. Okay. Maybe while I'm at it, image size. Change it to 40. No. No. Northwest. 6. 5. North. 25. Something like that. East. 6. 5. Something like this. Final 2. Thank God. 6. Okay. Last but not least. southeast. So that's that. Group that together, make a smart object. So rasterize. Work to smart object. Okay. Now, yes, we gotta just do it the old-fashioned way again. So let's get all the smart objects back. Start the beginning. Nope. Okay, do I really have to do all of them like this? All right. Let's do them one at a time. Doo -doo. Boom. Hey, how's it going, Dima? What's good? How you doing? Okay, let's do in between dashes now. Oops. Slow and steady wins the race here. Yeah, right now I think I'm doing the most inefficient way of generating an alpha channel for this. So hope you enjoy I hope you enjoy that. Oops. I think I saw you message me. Give me just a second. Okay. Boom. Have you had any experience with animations embedded to Unreal Engine pipeline? No, I don't really have experience with that. I'm not an animator by any means. I only really work with the blueprint side and the logic side once the animations kind of come in. Okay. We're done there. Now we can save this target out again. Main. Good. Textures. Re-import. I don't want to duplicate. No. And we don't need that one anymore. Save. Let's look. Okay. I think in general that looks better. Okay, so I think there's still something off, because this should be like, that's not north. I think we gotta do maybe 850 3050. I think that's okay. In general, though, I don't like the border. It's a little too floppy looking. Wonder what it would look like without a border. Now, here's the border. I just draw it as none. And that looks better, I think. Like, obviously, there should be some sort of border, but maybe we don't need one. That's okay. Maybe we could find one. Fantasy border PNG. Black and white. Let's see, fantasy UI design PNG. Okay. That's actually not too bad. Save image as that. So let's look at it. Open. It's a JPEG. So I guess we can do what? Get the white out. And then select inverse. Make it white. Blah, 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 blah. That looks interesting. Now, before we even do anything, let's just save this. Hero, art, UI, compass, border. Let's see what we would do, because I believe it's, what, 5,400 in length? Yeah, so maybe it doesn't need to be the full length. So, maybe like half? Let's see what this kind of ends up looking like. File, save as, Targa, border. Re-import. Save, and let's just draw it as an image. Woof. That does not look good. Okay. 2200. No. Let me just add it as an image and just see what it looks like. Image, boom. So that's what it looks like normally. Now if I make this like 30, yeah, that doesn't look good. And if I make it 60, obviously not very good either. Not sure how to better scale this. Yeah, border. Yeah, in general, there's a lot more to do. At least to make it kind of look nice. What? Like that. Not sure like how to make this any better. Just in general, maybe make something smaller. Maybe I can specifically say like which ones I want, right? Tools, size. Can I like specifically, like, do I have to like explicitly write the size? 5400 by 60. I wonder if there's anything on the marketplace. It's like, these look nice. It's like, maybe I can use these. Let's look on the marketplace. Maybe there'll be something there. Marketplace. Browse. UI. So smart UI, no. Ah. Don't... Like, it's one of those things where, like, I'll know it when I see it if it's... Ah. This is actually nice. So it's a so it does have all the technical details, but like I kind of just want the art assets. Oh, I kind of want to. Man, maybe we'll work with these and just ignore. Like, maybe we can use the blueprints as like a reference. Because yeah, we don't want to always use all of these like all of these icons, for example, but we might want to use some of them. But I want to use like these borders. These borders are nice. So we'll buy this now. I will do this on the other screen. Please order. Okay. All right, so we gotta create a project. So let's create the project. And then we can just migrate the assets over, like the images. This one. We'll kind of just see what the project looks like. Okay, play. Yeah, okay. Okay. So I think I like the middle one. So let's look at the widget. Oh boy. So there's compass. I think we want compass 2, right? No. This one, okay. Oh, that's the background, directional info. Okay. What's the size? So find direction. Okay. So we just wasted a lot of time. If we're good now, I'll just kind of copy this logic. So let's nuke everything. And what we want to do, all this stuff is so we're gonna do what? Asset actions, migrate. No. So we literally need to just copy some assets. Are they all in this directory? Yes. They are. Okay. So I think I could just boop. And asset actions, migrate. And we'll bring this to hero. Okay, so we got those assets. Now I should be able to just copy and paste. There we go. Now see, I could do little things differently here. Maybe like 8 by 13. Nah. 12 by 20. That looks good. So now we just gotta take the logic part that they do as well. So on tick, they do something like this. And I get owning player. Get camera. That. And let's open up our main. Guess I gotta adjust the position. Have you heard about Heroes of Might and Magic 3: Horn of the Abyss? No, I haven't. That looks good. Okay, so this is saying south. Southeast and east. So generally the math is still not right. But I do want to make this a little bigger. Can I make this like oh. Okay, so what's wrong with the math? Because that's supposed to be east, but it's off by whatever degrees. Okay, maybe I could do the same math as before, where it was like times 10, and then minus like 3,200 or something. I don't know why he's clamping. That's a good question. Maybe I can do it like that and I'll fix it. Woof. No. So, is it negative 10 that he did? Because I know it's like, no, his is, yeah, his is like a negative number. Okay. So I just gotta figure out. So his is minus 15, and that looks like it works okay. But eject, top. So do I have to like literally like fix my spawn? Because like top is this way. Like do I literally have to go like this? Like in order for it to work? No, see it says it's west. So something is definitely off. And I don't think doing -20 will do anything to fix it. Yeah, see, it kind of like breaks. Do I have to do... Let's not clamp it. We'll do the 2700 that he's talking about from the original tutorial. So let's start back. This way. So that's west. Okay, so that just shits itself. This is confusing. All right, well that's correct now. It's east. But now it's too quick, I think. 10. Let's get the math again. So it's also snapping in a weird way. Again, now I don't really understand. This is awful. Yeah. We're getting close. Like, at least I have... But yeah, it snaps like, in a weird way. Does it snap in a weird way in here? Yeah, his does snap in a weird way. So something about his is just not good. I think it's because of the whole clamping. But yeah, see, this is like, fine. What? We got like that, like that. And what's my... So this is also 5400. Okay, so it goes through. So this one goes from east. So mine is going from northwest. I feel like 10 is still valid. here we have that. Then I'm pretty sure we have to do a minus. We'll start with like 300, like 3,600. Just to see where we are. Maybe 4,000? Basically, this direction is east, right? Let's not worry about this project anymore. So we got this overlay. Position is like that. I don't think that matters. Okay, it does. Okay. Campus panel, directional info. So it's already minus that. And let's see. The position 1068. Is that making a difference? I'll do 2700. We're close. Go to 3600 now. Ah. West, so maybe 1800. It's east. Okay. So I definitely want to expand it too. So let's take all the different elements here. So here's the background. That's what is this, an empty background? So the overlay, I want this to be 950. So let's just then take it from there. I want this to be center. Size box, okay. Directional info, okay. So do background first. The whole thing, 0.5. Do something like that, I guess. I think that's correct. That's correct. Outline. Does something like that. I guess I have to do it like that. Something like that. I don't want it to clip like that. All right, let's take this out. Let's save. Let me see, source control, Difficans Depot. Let me just, is there any way to compare that? No. So let's make so I have a desired thing. Can I make like another canvas panel? Okay. I want this to be what, 950? And then image. Let's do where's that folder? Yeah. That's also marked for add. Let's do that. 5400. What's the whole size? 40. So we'll make this by 40. We'll do this directional compass. Then I believe I just gotta do flip with bounds or clip to bounds. Something like that. We'll say clip to bounds always advanced. Let's just look at what this looks like. Yeah, it's all right for all those errors. Okay. Now, is there another image? We'll just call it border. Outline, I guess. This is 650 by 52. Okay, let's just make this 52. We'll make this 900 maybe? No. I think it's 1,000. Oops. Okay. So let's make this 950 like we wanted. Yeah, so this could be 1,000. Maybe 1050. Okay. This is just a shit show. Alright. Let's just grab directional compass, right? Let's just see what this looks like. Okay, so that should be east. So that's southwest. Oh yeah, and let's anchor that in the middle. Mine's 1068. What just happened? Okay, that's south. Well, I guess I can use mine. Yes, I'm still listening. So I think it was like minus 3,200. I guess I just also get position. Right, get Y. Boom. Yeah. Okay. All right. We're making better progress now. No. Let's go back into that other project. Library. It's just one. So where is it? Blueprint. I think it's 3. Okay. Now we can have like a black and white, or you know, an opaque black image. I guess we could just like duplicate. Don't give this that. Like 0.8. Oh my god, these errors gotta go away. Okay, maybe 0.4 would be better. Background. We'll do 0.4. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. Add another image. Let's add on side. Like that. Whoa. I think it has to be like that. Um, um, that look okay? No. We're getting there. Okay. Now we just gotta do the other side. Border and left. Let's duplicate. Border and right. That's just. Guess we can negative scale him. Like that is okay. So we hit that -6, -5. So we just do -5. Do 0. Yeah, 1010 is okay. Okay. Yeah, that looked a little weird. I think that looks better. So looks okay. Okay, the position's off. So we'll say -10. -10. Maybe we're just wrong in our approach. Can we just say border end left? Oh, just do something like duplicate border and right. Like that. Um, okay. Now we need this one for sure. Position. Center. That look okay? I guess I can bring it down. Well, yeah, you can kind of see it still. Okay. And let's just try something. So I'll say outline left, duplicate, outline right. Got the one. Okay. So something like that. Okay. So something still isn't right. Um, that's close. Okay. And now the direction is off. So I think we just gotta 3100 maybe? Yeah. Mm-hmm. Okay. I think that looks good. Okay. Yeah, now that we cleaned that up, we're gonna need to investigate a little bit more about how to add things into this. So for example, if there's like an objective marker or something. Or like, you know, points of interest, like I've been saying. So I think the last thing we can do is in our data types, we can just create the enum and then we can call it a day. So E compass object type. We get to say enemy. We'll say cave. Town. We'll do what? Max compass object type. So what else would there be? I guess we can look it up. Like Skyrim compass UI. Okay, I could just say quest marker, and then we could say custom, yeah, custom waypoint. Actually, these have to be capital. Well, they don't have to, but I want to keep it consistent. So enemy, cave, town, quest marker, custom waypoint. And one more. Okay. And yeah, we're gonna say enemy, cave, town, quest marker, custom waypoint, max compass, object type. Okay. So we can add more as we need. Just make sure it compiles. And then I think we can call it a day. Okay. Things are starting to come together a little bit better. Okay. Cool. All right. That's where I'm going to end it for today. Thanks everybody so much for watching. Thank you, Imperator Monclu, for following. Probably, yeah, tomorrow we'll probably do some more game stuff. Like we'll play, probably play It Takes Two and Overwatch with our buddy Mediocre Mage. Tuesday's my birthday, so I don't know if I'll stream on Tuesday. I kind of want to chill. And then we'll kind of continue on our regular scheduled programming for the rest of the week. So have a good day. Have a good remaining rest of your Sunday, and I'll see you next time.